Shadow Ops 70. Let's bring in the troops. We've got Darkstorm, Nova, 2 sentries, 3 sentries, 2 lancers, 3 overseers, and Nick. So let's bring them in. Move slowly so you don't get a whole lot of damage. Pretty soon they're all going to throw all kinds of stuff at us, but we're just going to take our time and slowly clear the base. That's what happens. They start running away on you. So you got to be careful. Biggest thing we got to get rid of is stay away from the 2 rails. You got to get rid of that's one. You got to get rid of the other one. You got to get rid of him because he will kill you. But if you get rid of him, you can send escorts in to take out the rails. So that's what I do. I just send in escorts to take out the rails. Okay, we got to see if we can sneak down the side and kill him without the rail shooting us. Okay, we got him. All right, now we're just going to stop. And we're going to bring in the escorts to take out the 2 rails. And then we'll clear this. You get a little bit of damage, but you won't get a lot. If we could get rid of him, we could just use aces. Where are we at? Where are we at? Right here. All right. Only thing we want to do is go kill him. Get out of there. They keep flying. And let's kill the other one. Make it easy. Send in 4 at a time. Okay, who can hurt us? Couple of things over there, but attack and end. That's it. Get out of there. Okay. Now the rest is easy. Just go around, kill stuff. You get a little bit of repair, but not a lot. Just don't be in a hurry. The rails are the biggest thing that give you trouble when you send in ground troops. And we got to kill him, because he will shoot us. Let's put these bad turkeys on hold. Get rid of that with a nick. We're going to shoot these guys and hopefully that'll kill him. Nope, it didn't do it. Yeah, let's just kill him. Oh good, he doesn't shoot. What do we got here? What do we got here? Okay, if we shoot him, I think it'll get both of those. Yep, kills both of those. That's it. You're done. And you just won. See what we got. I've been doing it so many times that I didn't get anything. I have to do it. I have to do it 6 times because I have to do another one before I get anything. So that was it. Got a little bit of damage, but not a lot. Let's see how much damage we got. We got lots of time. So let's see what we got here. 1 minute repair. So escort, you get about 1 minute and 11 seconds of repair per escort. Jug, you got 6 minutes. So with the jug tune, if you simply take out him, 5 minutes. You take out the Nova and instant repair. So you put the Nova back in. 19 seconds of repair. You can see you don't get a whole lot of repair. Put the Nick back in. He doesn't have a lot of repair either. 1.5 minutes. That's it. So it's just literally that easy. And then you just repair a couple minutes on that. It's over. Okay? That's it.